Hey guys, my name is Leia and welcome back to my channel. And so today we're going to be doing something a little bit different for this video. You're not going to see my face or anything, but I am going to be talking you through what I'm doing. And so I'm going to show you guys how to shop for furniture online when you're on a budget, because this is something that I do and I think I'm pretty good at it. I'm in the process of actually decorating my apartment right now. So I figured I would take you guys along with me. So there's a few steps. There's like 5 steps that I've pinpointed when it comes to shopping online. And so I'm just going to jump right into the video if you guys do not mind. Okay. So the first step is to just figure out what kind of look you want, or like the design of like your home that you want. And so that includes like maybe a certain concept or theme or even a color or anything like that. And you want to identify that first. So if you need like any ideas or anything, All Modern is a really good website for this, because they have a tab right here that says room ideas. And so I'm going to do the living room because that is one of the rooms that I'm working on. Well, it's like my living room, kitchen, and bedroom kind of. I'm not going to show you guys exactly what I've been looking at or ordering, because that's going to be an entirely separate video or like a series of videos, but let's just go for the living room for this purpose. So yes, so this is the living room. So All Modern offers, this is not the only like website that I use, but so they have a tab that basically allows you to see like what other people have done with their different rooms. And these people have purchased a lot of their stuff from this website and or their sister websites, because they have like 3 other websites that, I mean, they sell like different stuff, but also like it's the same thing, right? So you can kind of browse these rooms just to get some inspiration, which I think is super helpful. Another option that you have that goes right with this, and I guess this is like number 2, is to go on YouTube and look up like apartment tours from people that you think would have like similar style to you. So this is one person that I don't like follow her, subscribe to her, anything, but she did do like an apartment tour, and her apartment tour was just, I don't know where is it, but her apartment tour was really nice. And what I like that she did, this is Glow Princess, what I like that she did was, here it goes, is she put the links to everything that she purchased here in the description box. So I freaking fell in love with her bar stools. I've been looking for bar stools like so long. And then this is actually how I found out about All Modern. She basically got like a bunch of her stuff in her apartment from like All Modern, Wayfair, Amazon, which is same as me. And so if you like something that someone posts like in their apartment tours or anything, and they link it down below, just like click that link and it'll take you to what they have. And then also, of course, the websites give suggestions on like other things that you may also like. So yeah, so that's like basically step 1. And step 2, like there's websites out here to just help you find inspiration for what you want. And then also, hello YouTube, like y'all already watching this on YouTube anyway, so don't even act like y'all don't know. Okay, cool. So the next thing that you want to do is also just shop around for prices. So I purposely have all of these tabs here already open and on the websites. So we have All Modern, I also have Amazon, and then I have Wayfair, which I have definitely shopped at Wayfair and like purchased things from there. I think actually my couch came from Wayfair, if I'm not mistaken. And then I have IKEA, which is also really great. The IKEA stores are closed right now because, you know, we're all quarantining and staying inside. So But you can still shop on IKEA and like get stuff like shipped to you and everything. And most of this stuff is really, really easy to put together. And actually, I do have an IKEA desk that I'm recording this video on, so I shop there as well. And then Overstock is another website that I have purchased things from. I think I got my bed from Overstock, I want to say, maybe, and like maybe my like side tables and my coffee table in my living room. I can't remember because that was a while ago. But yeah, so you just want to make sure to like shop around, and because a lot of these websites will have some of the same things, but they may have different deals. And this is what I was talking about with All Modern having sister shops. Like Wayfair is the very top one, like, and then you have, I don't know how to say it, Joss and Main. I hope I'm saying that correctly. I haven't really like been on that website. And then Birch and Lane, and then of course All Modern is like this one. So make sure to shop around for like what you want, and make sure you know what you want. So something that I'm currently looking for is like a TV stand. So you guys are gonna hear me typing, sorry. But so now I'm just going to customize it to like what I'm looking for. So let's do color. Color I want is black, because that's the type of style that I am going for. I want a TV stand, not an entertainment center. I don't need that. I don't play like video games or, yeah, no, I just don't need that. And then like the style that I want is probably glam and or Scandinavian or minimalist. We can do that. And so this is just gonna give me like basically everything that I would kind of be looking for. And I like the fact that these, like this website here tells you that it can withstand a TV up to 70 inches, 88 inches, which is freaking huge, like 60, you know. So it just gives you options. But like these prices, let me tell you something. I'm not making these videos to like boast or anything, because child, I'm not spending no $960 on a freaking TV stand. No, absolutely not. But this is why we have options. So let's go to Wayfair and let's see what they have, because why not? And most of these websites, like, things are always on sale, like, always. Can't nobody go into these stores anyway. Everybody's at home, shopping online, whatever. So, shop for sales. And Wayfair does a really good job of telling you, like, already which one is on sale, which one is, like, a closeout sale. So, this one's probably not going to be coming back. You know, things like that. So, we're also going to do black as well. And this one's a little bit different, like with the product designs and stuff. I don't really know what to put for this. I'm gonna just leave that alone. Maximum TV side, to be honest, I don't even know what size TV I have, so we're gonna leave that alone. But either way, like, you can basically shop through it, and these prices are looking, you know, more like it. But this is just a good way to just shop around and find things that you need. Like I said, it could be a bed, it could be a desk, it could be chairs, like simple decor. Like right now I'm looking for some accent pillows to put on my couch, because I have a whole color scheme going on out there. So this is just like a super good way to shop. Another thing, Overstock, baby, they think I don't see the whole 15%, which actually last night I wasn't thinking of like recording that part because it was like 1 o'clock in the morning, but I signed up for like something and I got a 15% email, like 15% coupon sent to my email. So you just kind of have to look. Like this one is 20% off select rugs, but like my entire apartment is like 80% carpet, so I don't really need that. But they talking about some 70% off, better than Black Friday. We could do that, and just like see what they have, like just really see what they have. It may not be what you're looking for at that time, but it may also be what you're looking for at that time. Like I'm also looking for a bar cart to put obviously my drinks for a bar, also some home decor, some, you know, whatever. So we can click that and just shop around. Like you may just get like this really deep feeling in your gut, like, oh, I want to ooh, hold on, this is nice. Like, oh, I want to get this. I want to spend money on this. I need to get this, blah, 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 blah. But, like, you have to be patient. You really, really, really have to be patient, because that's not how you want to find these deals. Like, IKEA ain't really talking too much about a deal, whatever, but you could shop the new low prices and stuff. But to me, IKEA, like, you can always find a good price for something. Like, always find a good price for something. Wayfair is always going to show you what's up with these deals. Always 100%, right? And also, make sure to buy a freaking warranty. Like, I just purchased, what did I buy last night? I can't remember, and I literally just purchased it last night. Oh yes, I bought my bar stools finally for my kitchen, and I definitely paid for that warranty. They had like a 5-year warranty and a 3-year warranty. I just got the 3-year warranty because I don't really know if I'm gonna keep them that long, but they were a really good price too. I'm not gonna show y'all because obviously, like, that's gonna be different. This mirror is kind of cute. Not for no $185. We're gonna put that back. Item is on back order and expected to ship May 5th. Oh. I don't understand if this is... We don't know. Okay, I'm obviously doing the wrong thing right now. So... basically, oh yeah, all of this stuff, they are offering like shipping for free. So I will let y'all know that, sorry, I like blinked out and stuff, but I will let y'all know that All Modern ships all of their furniture for free, and it's like super fast shipping. Like, my bar stools are supposed to be here by like Tuesday or Wednesday, and I'm recording this on Saturday. So just to keep that in mind. I know Amazon has like a very long turnaround time, or it's supposed to be a long turnaround time, but I ordered stuff off of Amazon yesterday too. That's unrelated to like home decor, but I woke up to an email saying that one of my items have already shipped, and the expected arrival date of another one of my items has been pushed up 2 weeks, because they was talking about some like June something, and now it's showing May. So I'm like, okay, hopefully it keeps, you know, going up so I can get my stuff. But yeah, I just wanted to make like a super quick video on just like how to shop online. Like, I know this is not super in depth, but I guess this is just the beginning of like my home transformation type of series. I'm not gonna call it a series, but I will say that this is maybe just like the beginning of it. So the final tips I'm going to leave with you guys are just make sure to shop for deals, shop for sales. You can always sign up for like their newsletters to get like 10-15% off of things, especially if you like really want it, but maybe, you know, your budget is a little tight. Like, definitely just like sign up for those coupons and stuff, because they help. They help so much, because I do not want you guys out here just buying things without a freaking warranty because something, you know, was a little expensive. But if you could get 15% off, then hey, that might cover your warranty. So just keep that in mind, and also know like what type of style you're looking for. Like, for me, I would never get something that's like, let me see, like, I just know myself. Like, what wouldn't I get? I mean, these are kind of cute. Like, I would never get this. Like, I would never like purchase this, but that's because this is just not my style, if that makes sense. Like, it's not my style. I mean, it's on sale, it could be, but like, yeah, this is just not my style, and this is just not what I want in my house. I mean, honestly, I might take that back. This is actually not that bad, but y'all know what I'm talking about. Like, you just want to buy things that you know, like, you would really like, and things that go with the decor that you're going for in your home, because there's no sense in buying something that the price may be right, but it doesn't match with anything. Like, you want a black and white living room, but now you're buying a big piece of furniture that's like green or something. Don't do that. Like, just be patient, save your money, shop the sales. You know, if they have something that you may want, and just be patient. Like, I've been living in my apartment for like almost 2 months now. Well, my new apartment for almost 2 months now, and I'm still searching for stuff that I like. So just be patient. Actually, these tables are not that bad. Actually, let's click that. Okay, but yeah, so that's just the end of the video. I hope you guys found it helpful. Please leave questions down below if you have any. And this is just like honestly a quick little video. Like, I didn't want this to be super in-depth until I start like ordering stuff and kind of showing you guys how I'm doing this. So yeah, enjoy the rest of your day. Stay safe out there, stay home, quarantine, and hopefully we'll be out of this soon. All right, and remember, my name is Leya. Subscribe to my channel, leave any comments or questions you have down below, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.